A view to comprehend the world. Technology to be a global leader. Power to race into the future. Ideas to help shape modern society. Eyes to guard the planet. Can you feel it? The machine tools from Doosan are shaping the cutting edge of industry today. Doosan Machine Tools. Have a closer look. Here is the high-tech world of unlimited possibilities being pioneered by Doosan Machine Tools. What have people used to develop the advanced civilization we enjoy today? What will change products in the future? The answer is machine tools, and Doosan Infracore is at the very heart of machine tool technology. This technology in turn is the foundation for the automotive, aircraft, electronics, and many other key industries. The history of machine tool technologies which are changing customers' lives can be found here at Doosan Infracore. Doosan is one of the world's best machine tool makers, offering a full range of products from small to large size. And the technological sophistication of Doosan machine tools is widely recognized. Welcome to the Doosan Infracore Machine Tools plant, featuring multifunctional production facilities and automated systems. You'll also find a superb quality assurance program, certified by many leading international organizations after strict testing. Doosan's unrivaled production technology and systems are creating some of the world's best machine tools. And Doosan Infracore is advancing as a top-tier global player. At Doosan, the term reliability means setting the global industry standard. Doosan Infracore is driven to constantly improving its technology and product quality, as machine tools impact so many industries and customers are always looking for something better. Have a look at the technology for creating the world's best machine tools. Experience speed, the unlimited technology competitiveness brought by the machine tools from Doosan. What are the most important factors in the machine tool business? Who is behind the great reliability and reputation of Doosan Infracore machine tools? The Doosan Machine Tools R&D Center is staffed by the industry's best. This is the birthplace of a constant stream of technologies for accommodating customers' every need. Here is where market-leading new models are being created. The Optimal Solutions Center provides applied technical support exclusively to the machine tools operation at Doosan Infracore. The Multifunction Machining and Turning Technology Center, Ultra Precision Die and Mold Machining Technology Center, and Reliability Assessment Center offer the optimal environment for developing just the right machine tools for any customer. The Doosan R&D and technology support systems rapidly deliver the competitiveness needed to prevail in today's fast-changing industrial environment. Doosan continues to invest in multifunctional turning centers, high-speed machining centers, nanotechnology, and new technology to lead the future industry. The R&D people at Doosan are committed to ensuring customers get the technology and quality they need to prevail in today's intensely competitive business world. Take a look at the Doosan people who are the envy of competitors around the globe. Get the most convenience. The Doosan Infracore Machine Tools Global Network. How do we verify the technology that is headed for the top of the global market? Doosan entered the machine tool business in 1976. How has the company achieved such fast growth ever since? Come and meet the Doosan engineers. You are invited to take advantage of their ongoing and systematic consulting services. The responsive technical support program includes customer training, equipment installation, test operation, and performance inspections. Doosan Infracore elevates its value by exceeding customer expectations. Problems are addressed around the clock via video conferencing, and online technical support programs are available for dealers and customers anytime. The Technical Center's impressive global training program is yet another way in which Doosan serves you. Overseas trade shows and technology seminars are venues for demonstrating the products and technologies that make Doosan a machine tools industry leader. You can contact a Doosan Machine Tools representative at more than 200 locations worldwide. The company operates a plant in Yantai, China, and has overseas subsidiaries, branches, and dealers in the Americas, Europe, India, Southeast Turkey, and Russia. See what the Doosan Global Network has for you. Ideas, technology, systems, services, networks. The more you learn about Doosan Infracore machine tools, the more you'll recognize the value in store for you. Your trust drives Doosan to do ever better things, providing the optimal machine tool solutions. They're yours for the taking. Doosan Machine